Ever sent an email you instantly regretted? Don't panic. I'm here to show you how to recall it using the Outlook mobile app. First, make sure you're using a Microsoft Exchange account or an Office 365 account, because the recall feature only works with these types of accounts. This won't work with standard IMAP or POP accounts. Open your Outlook app and go to your Sent Items folder. You need to find the email you want to recall. Tap on the email to open it. This will display the full message. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap that. A menu will appear. If you are using an Exchange or Office 365 account and the recipient is also using an Exchange or Office 365 account within the same organization, you might see the option Recall Message. If you see Recall Message, tap on it. If you don't see it, then the email can't be recalled using this method, likely because of the account types or organizational setup I mentioned earlier. If the recall option is available, you'll be presented with 2 choices. The first, and the most common use, is delete and read copies of this message. Select this option. The second option, delete and read copies and replace with a new message, might be grayed out on mobile. If it's available to you, it allows you to not only recall the original message but also send a corrected version. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on simply deleting the original. You can also check the box that says tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. This will give you a notification about the recall status. Once you've made your selection, tap OK or Start, depending on what the button says on your screen. Outlook will then attempt to recall the email. Keep in mind that the recall is not guaranteed. It depends on whether the recipient has already read the email or not. If the email is unread and they are on the same Exchange system, the recall is more likely to succeed. And that's it. You've attempted to recall your email using the Outlook mobile app. Hopefully, it worked. Good luck.